Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Telegram video downloader, free TG downloader on a Chrome web store. So here, overview: free Telegram video downloader. Download all videos, media, story from Telegram groups or channel for free in one click. So you can enhance your Telegram download experience with this extension. And also, please note, this extension operates independently and is not officially associated with Telegram app or website. Do with your own risk. So here, crafted by independent developer, and we urge you to employ this tool judiciously and to respect intellectual property rights. So please commit to the ethos of legitimate usage. And here you can try to add to Chrome in order to use it. Add extensions, and this is the step to download or download the extension. Yes, we already downloaded. Open Telegram web, so you can log in your Telegram by QR code and so on, or log in by your phone number and click the download button if you want to download the image, videos or media from your Telegram group or channels. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.